Hello everyone. Today I will discuss a previous year question of GATE 2025. This is a question of statistical mechanics that says consider a two-level system with energy levels plus epsilon and minus epsilon. The number of particles at plus epsilon is n plus and minus epsilon is n minus as well. The total energy of the system is E and the total number of particles is n equals to n plus and n minus. So we have to calculate the inverse of the absolute temperature of the system. So here are four options and this is given that is called Stirling approximation. So we know that the inverse of absolute temperature 1 by T is del S del E at constant n. So at first we have to calculate total energy of the system E, that is plus epsilon into n plus minus epsilon into n minus. From here we will get n plus minus n minus is equals to E by epsilon, and the total number of n is given n plus n minus. So n plus n minus will be n. From these two equations we will get n plus equals to half of n plus E by epsilon and n minus is equals to half of n minus E by epsilon. Okay, now we have to calculate the entropy S. So S is, we all know that S is Kb ln omega, where Kb is Boltzmann constant and omega is number of microstates. Look here, total number of particles is capital N and there are two energy levels of plus epsilon with number of particles n plus and minus epsilon with number of particles n minus. So microstates, number of microstates will be n factorial by n plus factorial into n minus factorial. From this we will get Kb into ln n factorial minus ln n plus factorial minus ln n minus factorial. Okay. Now using Stirling approximation to this, we will get S equals to Kb n ln n minus n plus ln n plus minus n minus ln n minus. Okay. Now let's calculate the inverse of absolute temperature from this. So 1 by T will be del S del E at constant n, that is Kb into, look, as this is differentiation with respect to E at constant n, so this term will be 0 after differentiation. So we will get del n plus ln n plus into del n plus del E at constant n and minus common here plus del n minus into n minus ln n minus del n minus del E at constant n. Now calculate this. We will get minus kb ln n plus 1 and del n plus del E gives us E by 2 epsilon, sorry 1 by 2 epsilon, okay, plus ln n minus plus 1 and del n minus del E gives us minus 1 by 2 epsilon, minus 1 by 2 epsilon. Now calculate this. Look, 1 cancel out, kb by 2 epsilon, and we will get, calculate this, ln n plus by n minus, that is here in front of this there is a minus sign, so it will flip and we will get kb by 2 epsilon ln n minus and n minus by n plus. Putting the value of n minus and n plus from here, we will get kb by 2 epsilon ln n minus E by epsilon by n plus E by epsilon. So our answer will be option A. Thank you.